Today I'll be going over everything that Apple mentioned about the new AirPods 4. So the new AirPods 4 is not out yet. You can pre-order them and get them around September 20th. At the time I'm recording this, it seems like Apple has already discontinued the AirPods 2 and the AirPods 3. So I don't think you can get those anymore. If you're gonna get them, I think you might have to get them on eBay or somewhere else. And I think they did that because the new AirPods 4 is coming out pretty soon. The new AirPods 4 will fit you more comfortable because it was designed with an advanced 3D modeling technology, so it should fit everyone's ear more comfortable. I know in the past most people were complaining about how the AirPods 3 actually feels so uncomfortable inside the ear. I think that was the reason why the AirPods Pro 2 actually became more popular than the AirPods 3, and also the AirPods 2 was also even more popular than the AirPods 3, even though the AirPods 3 was the newer version. So I hope with this new design it will be more comfortable for everyone to wear. The AirPods 4 comes with the H2 chip, which is something that we've seen in the AirPods 2 already, so it's really cool to see a pro feature on the new AirPods 4, which is a cheaper version of the AirPods. With the H2 chip, you can use Siri and Siri interactions, which lets you nod to decline or answer a call, or nod to accept or decline a message. The AirPods 4 actually comes with more pro features that we've seen in the AirPods Pro 2, such as active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, and transparency mode. But one thing to note, the ANC on the AirPods 4 is not as strong as the ANC on the AirPods Pro 2. And I believe that's because the AirPods Pro 2 actually have silicone tips, which actually helps you to block out the noise even more. But for $179, you can get the AirPods 4 with ANC, which is a really good deal for a noise cancelling earphone. And if you don't want the ANC, you can get it for $129, which is also a really good deal for the quality sound that you'll be getting with these AirPods 4. With the AirPods 4, you get a USB-C charging case, which is no surprise because Apple has been transferring all their devices to USB-C from the Lightning port. But also on the higher end version of the AirPods 4, you also get a speaker and you also get a wireless charging case with that. The speaker on the case will help you to find it whenever you're using the Find My feature. So with speaker, you basically just hit find and you hear a sound and you can locate your case much easier. I'm not sure if the lower end model will have that precision finding, but it should have it, but it should just have it without the speakers, so you should be able to use that precision Find My on both cases. On the AirPods 4, you get up to 5 hours of listening time with just one charge, but you get an additional 30 hours of listening time with the charging case. So in total you get like 35 hours of listening time, which should bring you around like close to 3 days of listening time, because you're not going to have these in your ear 24/7. You might have it in like for the most throughout the day like 12 hours. So maybe 12 hours today, 12 hours tomorrow, and then 12 hours the next day. So pretty close to 3 days of listening time in the real world. But that's pretty much all the features that you get with the new AirPods 4. And as usual, you get Apple Care if you want it, and you also get a free engraving if you order these from the Apple website. Oh, and the AirPods 4 is rated at IP54, so with that you can use it with sweat, water, or dust. So who knows, these AirPods might just be the best AirPods for the gym. I'll let you guys know whenever I get my hands on the new AirPods 4, so subscribe because that's coming real soon. So my first impressions on the AirPods 4 is that personally I think that they could have named the AirPods 4 like the AirPods Pro Mini or the AirPods Pro, and then rename the AirPods Pro to the AirPods Pro 2 Max, because the AirPods 4 has so many features that the AirPods Pro 2 actually have. I just think that they could have called it the Pro 2 Mini or something, but either way you have a lot of pro features that you're getting inside the AirPods 4, so it could have easily well been named a Pro something. I'll be getting both versions of the AirPods 4 on this channel to review, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for that. And also subscribe because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of September, so subscribe because that would be really helpful. But that's been it for this video, guys. Let me know what you think about the AirPods 4 down below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.